Hey guys, how you doing? Long time no see. I know I've started uploading more singing guitar videos, but I thought I'd go back to some lessons as well. This is a beautiful one for learning how to pick with your thumb faster. Good exercise for the left hand fingers. And sorry for I'm not posting for some often as I used to. I've got hundreds of videos you can check. Not the best of quality. Like now I have a busted camera of my high quality and I'm doing it on my mobile because I just wanted to share this one with you. And if you like to support, you can check my Patreon or also in the description for donations, and hopefully we get a new camera going. But let's go straight away to the lesson. This is a very fun one to do. You can try to go faster, slower, and it's just very fun picking for the thumb to go down, 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 and go faster and use it for whole strumming, for example. So we shape down a C major chord. On the second string, you want to put on the first fret your index finger, your middle badass finger moves on to the last bottom bass, that's the fourth string, right on the second fret, and then put your ring finger on the third fret of the middle bass, that's the fifth. And from here, you can lift up if you like that middle finger. I keep it off most of the time, only when I strum at the end. And you plug that middle bass, and then you curl your fingers inside the three treble strings. That's the third, the second, and the fourth, and the first string. That's index, middle, and ring, all inside. I don't know if you can see it, but they're not really away. They're inside. And then I bend a little bit, and I plug all three of them. So first I play the bass on the middle one. That's the fifth one. And while I pluck with the fingers up, I lift up my ring finger and go on the top bass string on the third fret again. And then I pluck also with the fingers. Now I'm doing a large movement, so you can see it's actually very small. Practice that, and then we'll put some melody. So that's 2 times playing on the third fret on the top bass, then open on the middle bass, then go with your middle and ring finger on the second and third, and you can go back to this one for 2 times. Now we do the same thing again, but we're using the middle, that's the fifth and the fourth. Again, it was 2 times on the third fret, but the middle bass. Then open on the D, that's the last bass, the bottom bass, or the fourth string. Then middle, ring finger, second and third. Now what we're gonna have a little challenge after this, that we're playing on these basses again. Changing between the fourth and the fifth string this time. You're only gonna do it twice, I'm just doing it so you can see it. Then we have a little longer roll. And we return back here. Let's take it slow. We start double picking on the third fret of the bottom bass, that's the fourth string. Then we go up 1 fret, open, and then we go to the middle. And we pluck twice as well. Just 1 time, just like we did on the fourth string, we go up on the second fret and open. Let's play it together from all the way of the fourth string. And up again 2 times here. Then go down to the open middle bass. And a roll down to the second and the third as before. So you can think of it as on the third frets, when you're pressing with your fingers, you're playing twice with the bass. And we're going. And put down your middle finger, so you shape the C chord, and you finish with that pluck. Do it slow. If you like, I'll extend this video and do it slow so you can do it with me from the beginning. Lower now on the D. it really makes more power and speed for your thumb, because the thumb can be just like a regular pick, or so remember, the thumb, you really have to get it strong, not just the pinky and the ring finger when you're plugging, and the other ones to plug together fast, and then we get some nice speed going for these 3 fingers. If you like to also learn for a pinky exercise on the left hand, I have a special one for you, so leave a comment below and I'll see if that's going to be my next video. I apologize for the quality of the video, it's just from my mobile. I just wanted to share this, so I hope you guys like it. Make sure you comment, rate, subscribe, and see you soon on the next video. Take care.